We will build a boat, set it on the waves, see if it might float away, away. I feel my spirit sinking slow, somewhere I do not want to go, into darkness down below. So do not tell me that you know, 'cause right now I don't much care. I just want something more to show than this safety and despair, than this truth without no dare, than this vision of somewhere, and this dream I should be there. Oh, we will build a boat, set it on the waves, yeah. See if it can flow away, away. You can have your smiles, you can have your pretty names, yeah, 'cause life is just a while, and this love is just a mile, yeah, and we go back the way we came. Oh, but I want something I can taste. This is my life not to waste. There are dragons I have placed, so to a queen I might be chased. Yeah, there's a castle there I've traced. Baby, let us build a boat, yeah, set it on the waves, see if it can float away, away, away. There's a language of the soul, and it's spoken by the heart. The moon alone is never full. Without the sun, it's counterpart. Yeah, we will build a boat. Yeah, set it on the waves. See if it can float away, away, yeah. In this nighttime there's a star. I do believe that's where you are, and my longing can reach that far. So if you are wondering where we'll end up if we set sail, I'll tell you now, I've just this prayer, that even though the sun may be pale, and even though these dreams may be frail, I think we find our fairy tale. we will build a boat, set it on the waves, yeah. See if it just might float away, float away. This is my last chance, yeah. I don't want circumstance, no, to interrupt this dance. Darling, please, let us build a boat, yeah. Come the first clear day, we'll see if it can float, hey. We'll see if it can float, see if it can float away, away, we will sail from the past, and we might not get there fast. I think we find our short last, long last. Our short